Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cute frame on CapCut apps. Now, let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, in here, if you want to add a cute frame on CapCut, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the sticker at the bottom. And after this, in here, you just click on the stickers. And at the menu you can swipe until you can see frame, this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can see a many cute frame on CapCut apps. You can choose the cute frame that you want, maybe this one, or this one is of many it's a many cute frame, but in here you wanna add this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can setting with your two fingers like this. Okay, and after this, in here you can click on the check icon, this one. Now you can setting the cute frame until the end of the video. Okay. And now I wanna adjust the video, so you can click on the video and you can adjust the video with your two fingers like this. Okay. And after this, I wanna change this canvas, so you can go back. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see canvas. You can change the canvas with the color, with the color, the background, or the blur. But in here, I want to change with the background. And then now you can add the background that you want. This one, this one, this one. Okay, this one, this one, this this one. No. Okay, this one. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to add cute frame on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.